Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I want to show you how you can actually track and install Foxports on your FTA decoder. So Foxports, you're gonna find them on two different cell lines, and you're gonna find them on a hotbed, a 13 east, and on error test at 7B. So the frequencies will be on your screen. So on a hotbed 13 degrees east, you can use this TP that will be on your screen to actually track. We have 11842 vertical 29900, and we have 12842 vertical 29900. So the TPs will be on your screen, and on the error test at 7B, you're going to use this TP to track, which is 12169 horizontal 275000. And you're going to use this one to, if that one doesn't get you the signal easier, use 12516 horizontal 27500. And what a dish that is, you can use a 15 centimeter dish or any dish ranging from 50 upwards, and you're going to get a stable signal on it. After getting a stable signal, we have other channels available on their platform, so you can just perform blind scan on it to actually get the additional channel that is available on their platform. So that's it. If you find this video for anyone new, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you come back for more. Thanks for watching.